I got three of the best guys that I could possibly get at my flip house right now. I got Broker, Remax, Extravenor, Jake Bellamy. I got the Moon Man, and I got Felix. Can't get no better than that, baby. Surround yourself with good individuals. Jake, where you been, man? Home run, Jaco. Woohoo! I got the Broker. All right, today we got a little update. All right, this is Greg, one half of Radford Homes. All my homeboys out here. For all your real estate needs, holla at Sabrina, Miss Radford, the Realtor. You can reach her at 863-205-1307. Let's walk this flip right here, see what we got. As you see, we took care of the porch up here, knocked the porch out, raised it up 2 feet. All our permits flying behind the window. Got Jake the Bellamy in the house. We got Felix in the house. We got the Moon Man in the house. All right, that's where your sink is gonna go. Got that all hooked up right over there. All your plumbing. Right here. That's where your refrigerator is going to be. Closed in the window here. All right, I got my main man Tori here. He never here to hear. I haven't seen him all year. Tori, talk to the folks. What you putting in this house, man? What you doing, man? Got a 3-ton AC. All right. Making it happen, huh, Tori? Yeah, that's right. Some of the work we did coming into the master bedroom here. New windows. Got a pocket door right there. New air handler. Master. This is the first master bedroom. All right. Dual vanity. New plumbing. All right. See the toilet right there. All the new plumbing up top. The shower turn on. Shower head over here for your wife, and then you got a dual shower. You got another shower head right there. This is your shower area right here. All right, you got a bedroom here. This is 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. All right, all new plumbing. You can see we cut the concrete up. New windows. All right, we got an open concept here. You can see all the guys right there. We opened it all up with laminated veneer lumber.
About 5 years into it, I stopped in this trailer.
All right. We have what you call a pocket door right here. Hi, we have a double lot that is listed now on the MLS. 99 feet from that pole there to that pole down there. And it is 160 feet deep. This is considered a double lot, almost a triple lot. If you know someone who's interested, looking to acquire a double lot that you can build single family home on or multi-family duplex, give us a call. You can reach Sabrina Radford, Miss Radford the Realtor, at 863-205-1307.
See you guys.
You gave me LLC, my lovely and beautiful wife Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, I'm coming here because I want to talk to you about March the 13th. Once again, on March 13th, I'm going to be having what we call a free Radford Homes flip seminar at one of my flip properties that I'm currently flipping live. And you should be there. Why you should be there? Well, that's a great question. Well, I'm going to be teaching you everything that I know as far as how I found properties, how I locate properties, how I vet the deal, how I have the contractors come in and help me out, or how I help them out because we work together as a team. And I'm going to tell you about the team concept of real estate and how that you could turn a profit in making a real estate transaction as far as what we call a BRRRR. What's a BRRRR? I'm glad you asked. A BRRRR is a buy, rehab, renovate. Well, let me slow it down. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. All right. So that's what they call on the Bigger Pockets podcast. They name that the BRRRR. All right. Brandon Turner, probably somebody before him named that. But that's a great way where you can actually buy a property and don't have no money into the property. What I mean by that? Well, if you buy a property below the market value, and the property is worth, you buy it for $50,000, but the property is worth $100,000. So you got a $50,000 discount because you had to fix it up. All right, you go in, you fix it up, you put $25,000 into it. Now you into it for $75,000, and you BRRRR it out. They'll give you back all of your money. They'll give you 75% of the loan to value ratio. That means you get, if the property appraised for $100,000, the bank will give you back a cash out refinance and give you back your $75,000. Now you have zero money into the property. You then take the cash flow from that, and then that becomes your monthly bonus, whatever you want to call it. All right, besides your vacancies and your repairs, because you're gonna have vacancies sometime, and you're gonna have repairs on a house. So if you want to learn more about that, you should come check me out on March the 13th at 2 p.m. We've been doing what we call like a cohort thing, taking you through a journey of flipping a house from A to Z. And that way, if you think you want to get in this business, you already been seen it once, so you should be able to do it the second time. Me and my homeboy out here just fishing right now. What up, Premier Dream Homes? You got your line in the water? All right. We're going to get jump on this pontoon boat as we always do and just have a good little time. Once again, I'm Greg, on behalf of Radford Homes LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty, and she is a licensed realtor. So if you're looking for somebody who can take you around, look at a nice house, make sure you get pre-qualified first, or you're trying to buy a flip house, the whole 9 yards, come talk to us. Come vibe with us on March the 13th. Come check us out. You like it, keep it moving. Find you something and then you pay it back. We're charging you zero. No money. No money. Strictly just giving the game away to somebody who's hungry and they want to learn it. All right? Paying it forward. All right, this is Greg, man. I'm out of here, man.